Today I'm going to teach you how to stretch a strip with columns in Wix. This is incredibly useful when you want your website design to adapt seamlessly across different screen sizes, ensuring your content looks professional and well aligned, no matter what device your visitors are using. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, locate and click on Site and Mobile App. This will trigger a drop-down selection to appear, showing you the different sites you've created or are managing. From this drop-down, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the correct website where you want to add a strip that stretches with columns. This step is important because you don't want to accidentally edit the wrong site, especially if you're managing multiple projects. Once you've confirmed you're on the right website, look for the Design Site button. You'll typically find this at the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to the full editing interface where you can customize every aspect of your site's appearance. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. From here, locate the Add Elements option on the left navigation menu and click on it. This menu is packed with all sorts of design tools and components you can use to build and customize your website exactly how you envision it. Once the Add Elements menu expands, you'll see a comprehensive list of elements available for your website. Scroll through or search until you locate the strip element and click on it. Wix will then display a variety of sample strips that you can choose from, each with different layouts and styles. Now, to demonstrate the stretch procedure, simply choose any strip from the samples and drag it onto your website canvas. Once you've placed it, click on the strip. You'll notice that the stretch function is already set by default, which is quite handy. To fully customize this feature, click on the strip again, and you'll see two options appear: Screen Stretch and Page Stretch. Check both options to see which one suits your website style best. You'll notice that with the page option, the strip will shrink to fit within your web page's boundaries. However, the best option will almost always be the screen setting, as it ensures the strip adjusts perfectly to any screen type this website is viewed on, whether it's a desktop, tablet, or mobile device. This provides a consistent and polished look across all platforms. And that's it. You've successfully stretched a strip with columns in Wix, giving your website a flexible and responsive design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.